Hello everyone, in this video I am going to give you a tutorial about how to use photon filter, and with this filter that the whale are using right now I am sharing with you guys this video is similar to the text screener. I also shared the filter of the text screener. You can also watch my previous video, but in this video I am going to share with you guys my photon strategy that I am using. And basically in the photon strategy I am sharing with you guys the meme scopes strategy, which is the most famous one. So I am currently using these filter like this one on the photon filter strategy. This strategy I have given in my description, so you can take and copy my description also, and you can use all of these filter and how to avoid rug pull. I have mentioned some points, but I will make a detailed video about on this. And so this is your filter section. So these are 6 type of filter or 5 type of filter that I use mostly to trade meme coin on photon. So basically the purpose of the video is that I want to share with you guys my strategy, so you can apply and let me know. So basically first of all, my first strategy is like this: def holding 15% volume 10,000 with at least one social. So let's check at least one social, def holding 15% by volume 10,000. Okay, 10,000 by volume. So let's apply. So we will know these type of coins. So let's open the first. Let's see. Yeah. So let's open this coin. We will see that they have their own Twitter as well as Telegram and their website. I think, yeah, they have their own website. If they just load, no. So basically to check these all kind of information, you can see also use that screen, and it will give you the main overview. So let's go to these top traders. We will see that how many traders that they are trading. They invested $2.2, $12 and remaining. So which means that we just this coin is initially launched, and we can see the transaction USDT $. So basically it's a one transaction. To check these, copy the contract address and head toward this website. First of all, copy and paste this website on the phone, and then you need to copy the coin address. It will show you the purpose and show you the score. So basically if you see the top 10 holder, top holder is 100%, which is the greater only 15% of the supply, which is quite good. And the coin is initially locked, and liquidity is also locked, but low amount of liquidity provided. It will fix right now, then it will go to the graduate section. So yes, we can trade on this also, but if we just see the transaction, for example, like $10. So people are buying right now. Yeah, so people are buying right now because it is currently the newest launch coin. So I will wait for the if you want to trade fast, you can use this filter. So basically this is for the risk taker who want to risk their capital. And what I do is I go to the quick buy section, and I will put 0.01 sol, 0.01 sol on every coin. And if the coin just get pumped, I will know the understanding about the coin. But remember guys, everyone has their own strategy, so use your own strategy. And with my filter you can some amount of help. And remember, do not lose these your money on these type of coin. Basically these section require so much like risk taking capabilities, so I just want you to avoid this section. So if you have a capital to invest, then you can trade on these type of coin on the newly created section. So let's head toward on the about to the graduate filter. So yeah, I have also used this. So basically pump .fund, and with at least one social holder pound 50 by def holding 5% by volume, or like 10,000 maybe. Yeah, 10,000 minimum, and the transaction, and I think the market cap, yeah, a market cap of 15,000. So let's apply the filter. See, these are the coins that they shortlisted. For example, if we just see the Messi coin, it's right now on the like 30k chart, and let's check the yeah, it's quite a danger that is showing the everything. I think is the fake volume or something like this. The issue is on the Messi. First of all, I need to close this chart, and where's the Messi coin? So let's see the they are selling their coin, and if we see the holders, yeah, they hold 30% of their supply, and the liquidity pool is only 40%. So if the def sold, the price can easily dump. So make sure you guys know which coins are you trading. So the def buy, and the def can sold around about, I think, if the price manages to get in the like bounce back, you can take position here and sold it right here. Okay guys, don't fall for the trap of the holding coin, because the def is holding more supply. So this coin is for short term trading. If you want some trade or fill capital a little bit, so remember, if you take risk, you can get more profit in the meme coin space. But remember, take the risk that you can afford only. So I will close this chart on Messi, and let's see the when we see the holder. Yeah, the holder, the def is holding 15 points, which is a quite good sign. And if we just see the copy the pen token, let's see this say. Sometimes it takes so much time to load. Yeah, the coin is good. So basically you can use my filter strategy to see which coin is good, which coin is bad. So I think the def buy and the def is sold on this coin on the like around about maybe like 10k 12k, but you can trade for the long term if you want. So you can check this picture on the similar picture. Yeah, Ben check. Yeah, so this coin is from the Ben check. Yeah, so this coin is a good coin basically. So I will close this chart also, and if we see the board, if the price get down from around about 11k, so this is also a red flag. Yeah, so these are the type of coin that you should need to avoid, or if you are trading, that you should know which coin that you are trading. Like if we see the chart, if you open the chart, we can see the market cap, and the price got down guys pretty badly. But I think the def is holding some. Okay, the def is holding 55% of their amount, and I don't know. So basically you need to avoid this type of shit, and because it is they will take your all of your money, and then they can the price, they will do like this and this, then they create a FOMO or hype, and the price buy here, and then they immediately sell their position, and what the price will do, they will dump the price and you will lose all of your money. So make sure you guys take calculated risk. So let me clear this chart. Yeah, so if we just see the next filter is the graduated filter that I use most. So let's open the graduated filter. So if we just go to the meme scope again, we have the graduated tab, which I used 15%, 15% holding, 15% order count, like volume 10,000 by market cap 50,000, and apply the filter. We have these type of coin that are promoted to the Radium, and if we just see the picture, yeah, so this is the one coin only right now, and for the trading purposes, let's check their chart. Yeah, the coin is done, guys. See, this is what happening in the meme coin space. So if you want to trade for a long-term purposes, I would probably say you to trade on the DEX screener. But if you are a fast trader, you can also trade on the Photon, and this can also help you. So let me check their holder. The dev is holding so much. No, the Radium. Yeah, the dev holding is 24.14%, which is converted into Radium. So you should know everything about the fundamental of the trading in coin space. So my strategy will be like, if the coin get a space or support around about this section, or the price break above the previous high, so I would take the position right over there if the price manages to get retest and then go up. So I will take position here or something like here. So if the price coming down and downward, so I will know the it is a dump or pump. So these are some another strategies I will discuss in another video. I hope you will guys like my filter, and these are also the other filter you can use. These are two filters that I provided you, and so make sure you guys like and follow for more, guys. This is for the video, and guys, please subscribe me if you like my videos, and I will make more filter strategy for you to enhance your crypto meme coin trading. So make sure you guys like and follow.